Hello, today's topic? At the shopping mall.
Welcome to the shopping mall.
Thank you. It's nice to be here.
What do you want to buy today?
I need to get some new clothes.
Let's start at the clothing store.
Sounds good. I need some jeans.
Do you know your size?
Yes, I'm usually a medium.
Let's check out the selection.
These jeans look nice. What do you think?
They fit you perfectly.
Great, I'll take them.
Do you need anything else?
I also need a new pair of shoes.
Let's head to the shoe store.
I'm looking for sneakers.
What color do you prefer?
I like black or white.
Here are some black sneakers.
They look stylish and comfortable.
I'll try them on.
Do they feel comfortable?
Yes, they're perfect.
Let's go pay for them.
Do you want to grab a snack?
Sure, I could go for some fries.
Go to the food court.
I see a fast food restaurant there.
The fries smell delicious.
They taste even better.
Now that we're refreshed, let's continue shopping.
Sounds like a plan. Let's go.
Vocabulary.
Clothes. Jeans. Size. Medium. Selection. Fit. Shoes. Sneakers. Color. Stylish. Comfortable. Pay. Snack. Fries. Food court. Restaurant. Delicious. Taste. Refreshed. Plan.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.